Hey, want, want to edit like this?
Bailalo, gózalo, como lo canto y lo siento yo.
Got you. First, you need clips. And others is by your liking. It depends on you, of course. Slit button and slit between clips. And then find duplicate button, duplicate the clip. And find reverse. Reverse the clip. And this is going to look like this. And this is what we have to do in every single clip. Do it in every clip. It will look like this after you follow my instructions.
On the channel.
And now coloring tutorial. Find filters. Search metal in filters. It in 51. Find salt and adjust it in 31. Find 8K and adjust it in 31. This one too, yeah. And you're done. Yes, it will look like this, not better quality, but that's it. Bye. Thank you.